What's going on, SixPackAbs.com? It's Thomas DeLauer, and welcome back to Apple Cider Vinegar Challenge Week. I promised you that today I was going to be sharing with you a morning recipe utilizing apple cider vinegar that is going to help aid in digestion, help you burn a little bit more fat, help you give a bit more energy, but also help you out if you're fasting. It's going to do a lot of things for you. It won't break a fast. It's something that's perfectly good to go. So I'm going to break down the ingredients, show you how I make this, and show you what each individual ingredient does to help with your overall health and your ultimate change to your body. First and foremost, I got 10 to 12 ounces of water. Nothing crazy here. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to eyeball this because I've made it so many times before, but I've got a half a teaspoon of ashwagandha root powder. Okay, here's what ashwagandha is. Ashwagandha is an Ayurvedic herb that's been used for thousands of years and is known as an adaptogen. You see, what an adaptogen is something that helps modulate hormones within the body. It helps modulate different actions in the body so it keeps everything balanced. But one of the things that it's most noted for is helping with stress. Now, when you're fasting or when you're going through a diet change or anything like that, it's easy to get stressed out, it's easy to get irritable. Ashwagandha helps with that. It helps modulate those mood swings a little bit more. So trust me, it really makes a big difference. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take another half a teaspoon of green coffee bean extract. Green coffee beans are just unroasted coffee beans, which means that you still have all the phytonutrients, a little bit more caffeine than regular roasted coffee, but also all the antioxidants that you want. So it's going to help you out with the detoxification process. Very, very good if you're starting a diet, especially if you're fasting too. Okay, then I've got the juice of a half a lemon. Nothing crazy. I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze it in there. You can go a full lemon if you want. The reason that I am using lemon is simply because it has something known as pectin in it. Pectin is a really cool, interesting, non-digestible fiber. What it does is it captures a lot of excess fat that's in the digestive system, binds to it, and allows it to flush out through the body. This means that it's going to allow you to stay satiated, but it's also going to help remove some of the excess cholesterols and potentially modulate your bad cholesterol. Therefore, you really have something that's working for you really, really well if you're on a diet or if you're fasting. It's going to enhance the effects of the fasting. Then, the star of the show, you thought I was going to leave it out, the apple cider vinegar. I'm going to eyeball this because I make this all the time. I'm going 2 tablespoons. That might have even been a little bit more. I like apple cider vinegar simply because I like that little pungent taste, but not everyone does. This apple cider vinegar, the reason that we are using it here is we're leveraging the digestive power of it, but we're also leveraging the blood glucose modulating power of it. It's going to help bring down the blood glucose so that your fasting period, or when you're dieting in general, is less of this with the blood sugar rises and falls and much more of this. You stay nice and stable. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this bad boy up. Nice little morning cocktail. It's pungent, but doable. And what it does to your body makes it worth it. As always, make sure you're keeping it locked in here on Apple Cider Vinegar Challenge Week. Tomorrow, I've got a really cool video for you. Tomorrow, I have another recipe that is much like this, except it is using different ingredients that are gonna help you out in the evening time. That's right, it's gonna be my apple cider vinegar drink for nighttime. Help with digestion, help with a couple other things. So make sure you come back tomorrow and I will share with you all the details, all the ingredients for that. Keep it locked in here on Apple Cider Vinegar Challenge Week. See you tomorrow.